So recently I was in the market for a new microphone arm. I don't think it's meant to do that. This is the incredibly expensive and upside down Elgato Wave Arm Pro. And today we're gonna see how a microphone arm can be pro and why the fuck it costs 300 Australian dollars. So let's take a look in the box. It does just have 2 slits of tape. I do actually love the eco-friendly packaging that Elgato's making. It forces me not to want to hold onto the box, and I'm very guilty of hoarding boxes. Instruction manual. It's a mic arm, how hard can it be? 4 pieces and a little bag. Inside this little bag we get an Elgato branded Allen key and 2 adapters, which I don't know the exact sizes. It's the big microphone one, the regular microphone one, and that's because on here they have a standard camera mount. I could mount a camera to this. That's sick. It's also on a ball head, so you can kind of put this anywhere you want it. Anyway, setup on this is pretty simple. Clamp on the desk, and you can put this in here. Or they have an extension, which I won't be using because my monitor is pretty low. I don't know if Elgato would want you to do this. You can put the extension in there and have it go higher afterwards. So because I have mine going under my monitor, I can have it go under and then get higher. You could even just have it like that, which if you've got a little set. So it also has this little tensioning section here, which you can use to make it not whack you in the face. And my microphone will need this mount right here. And as you can see, that is not enough. I think that's good. And now, if I only use the one piece, it's quite nice if you have like a podcast or something. Cable management underneath as well with really strong magnets. I'll show you in this one. Like, this requires a decent bit of force to pull off, and you can just stick a cable down here, stick that piece on, and done. Do you need a $300 microphone arm? This thing was great. It lasted me like 7 years. For about the same price as that, you can get the Wave Arm LP. Should you buy it? If you want to. It is probably the best microphone arm you will own. Unless you spend like $500 or something insane. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more gear reviews or learn how to use OBS or alerts or things, feel free to subscribe. That's pretty much what this channel's for. And if you have any ideas for me, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye. You can still see.